wondered why your farm income is not increasing even after you work very hard day by day? Are you mixing your family expenses with your farm expenses and you don't understand what is your profit and what is your loss? Are you taking money with high interests from lenders because you don't know about the government schemes and subsidies? Are you selling your produce just after the harvest only to end up making loss? Or are you just planting crops because your neighbors are doing it and you also want to do it without knowing that is it even profitable for you or not? If any of these sounds like you are at the right place. Hello and welcome back. I am Tanisha Sharma and today I'll be giving you a roadmap to make your farm a profitable business. Most of the farmers face problems because they don't have a structured plan, and that leads them to end up in a financial hassle. To make your farm a successful business and earn money from it. So stay tuned for practical solutions and valuable resources. Start with understanding the importance of creating a farm business plan. A business plan is the start for your farm's success. It helps you set clear goals, secure financing, and make informed decisions. Without a business plan, farmers usually mix their personal and farm finances together, ending up in trouble. So now let me tell you the key components for a successful farm business. An effective farm business plan includes these key components. Effective summary, an overview of your farm's mission and objectives. When you understand that, it is easy to move ahead. Farm description, have details about your land, your resources and your operations. How much land do you have? What are the resources do you have? What are the technologies do you have? And how you can use them. Market analysis. Research on crop demand. Which crop is in high demand? What people are liking? Target your market customers and market trends. Operation and management. Create your farm's business structure and management team. Crop selection and planning. Choose crops which are in demand and people are willing to buy. Marketing strategy. Decide how you plan to sell your produce. Its pricing and promotional plans. Next, financial plans. Look after your budgeting, your projected income, your expenses, and your funding sources. Risk management. Create strategies to identify potential risks in the future. Now, these were the key components. Now, for your better understanding, let me tell you about some real-life success stories who overcame difficulties and problems by implementing these business plans. First, Seeds Farmers Producer Company Limited. A group of farmers formed a cooperative, pooled resources, bought equipment and improved profits by accessing better markets. Second, Organic Fruit Farms IPM success. This farm adopted integrated pest management and crop rotation, improving soil health, reducing costs and increasing yields. Third, Young Agriculture Entrepreneurs. Young agronomists like Maria transformed traditional family farms into profitable ventures by adopting sustainable farming practices. These stories tell us about the strategic planning which can transform farming. Now let me tell you about the practical steps. The practical steps transform your farm into a business plan. Starting with first, separate your finances. Keep your personal and farm finances separated. It will help you understand what are you earning from your farm and what is the profit you're getting. Next, conduct market research. Always study market and demand before selecting the crops. Third, explore value addition. Consider processing your produce to increase its value. Fourth, access government schemes. Use government schemes for your funding and resources. Fifth, plan long term. Develop strategies beyond the immediate harvest. Sixth, understand the supply chain. Learn how your produce reaches consumers. Seventh, seek affordable financing. Opt for institutional loans instead of high interest money lenders. Here I'm going to tell you that how you should use government subsidies and schemes to benefit yourself and your farm. So let's talk about government schemes for farmers. There are plenty of government schemes which are ready to help farmers earn more income and take care of their crops and their land. For example, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. It provides direct income support to small and marginal farmers. Next, agricultural government schemes. Learn about the current government schemes which are helping you financially. A lot of schemes with time offer financial aid to the farmers for agriculture, technological advancements and market access. Next, major schemes for farmers. There are various schemes available for farmers to make sure of their well-being and their food security. By using these platforms, you can learn about subsidies, loans and schemes that government provide for your well-being. Well, this was all about how you can transform your farm into a successful business plan. We talked about the key components, understanding how you can turn your farm into a business, the schemes, subsidies. I also shared real life examples with you and the practical steps as well. Just remember, transforming your farm into a business starts with a successful business planning. By implementing these strategies and leveraging available resources, you can increase your profitability and sustainability. Just remember, informed decisions lead to fruitful harvest. Well, this was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.